did the unboxing, and now we are going to actually put it on the bed. Open it up. I'm assuming that stripes normally run north and south on a bed, so we're gonna put it on that way, and hopefully that's the way it goes. We will put the starting zipper. You can see it's got a nice big, which is nice. As we get older, your fingers just don't work the way they used to work, and it's more difficult, harder. We got the QuickZip Queen. Is that what we got, Abs? Yeah, that's what we got. So you're gonna help me put this on? Oh my goodness, you're gonna lay on the bed. I have to put it on. Okay, you're gonna have to get off. All right, so the reason that we have a leash right here, it is attached to the floor underneath here. The reason being is we have a blind dog. Mars the Blind Sheltie. You can go to Facebook and find his Facebook. Abby has a Facebook page. It's Abby the Pap on Facebook, and you can follow her. She talks all about the adventures that we have traveling. So anyways, this is going to stay on here, so I have to work around this. Hopefully all of you don't have to do that. With Mars, we have to, because he will fall off the bed if we don't, and we won't get a good night's sleep. Okay, so we got a zipper here. We got the zipper here. Now, I did not watch the video on this. I probably should have, but I didn't. But it seems rather easy, and this is what we don't like, us people that have trailers. It's really difficult, and normally what I end up doing, all right, Abs, is pulling this out a little bit to get access back here. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to grab a corner here and put it on. And it's probably going to be a little difficult for you to see. Hopefully the next corner will be easier for you to see. It goes on there very easily. I didn't have any trouble putting it on. Now, excuse me, I have to go across the bed here. All right, Abs. Got that for me, Ab? All right, now we'll put this other corner in, and hopefully it will go on just as easily as that. We have a foam mattress. This is not your mattress that comes with, that at least with our Mini. The one that came with our Mini was terrible. We didn't sleep on it very long before we knew we needed another one. We also have built-in stairs on the side here that allow our dogs to get up on the bed. All right, we'll put this corner on. Very simple, very easy. Yeah, there's Mars, our blind dog. Now, as you can see, the material comes out and covers the corner here, which I really like. I'm gonna squeeze through here, around the back. I'm gonna push this up and pull this one on this corner. Hopefully, wow, that was pretty easy. And as I explained in my other, what do you think, Abs? Huh? They're very deep. I'm gonna put it, make sure that the rubber is down underneath. And this you won't have to do every time, because once you've got it completely on properly, you won't have to do this again. I put it so that my corner is down here, and this is going to be very easy, I believe. Very easy. I'm doing this one-handed here. So all I'm going to have to do is take this and just unzip. And I'm going to have this top right here to wash. And this zipper part is going to stay right here. You could see it has a it goes over it and covers the zipper. Oh man, that zipper works really, really well. Really, really well. Just sticks out a little bit right here, and as you see, it covers over. So if I want to stick my leg out in the middle of the night, no problem. I'm not going to feel this zipper at all. Really, really nice. So we'll see. I'm going to put my own top sheet on this and make the bed up, and we'll see how we like it.